Why are you scared of the unknown? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So many people are scared of the unknown. You have to really take the time out and think about the reason why you may be scared of the unknown. I know that as human beings, we like to define things, we like to put things in categories, and we like to have explanations of how things have worked out or how they haven't worked out. And as soon as we can't define things or we can't really put things in a box, it becomes a worry. We start to overthink and we start to worry about what it could present, because naturally we like to define things. So when you're presented with a situation where you can't define what's going to happen or you can't see past the current situation, that's when fear usually creeps in. You start overthinking the situation, you start worrying, presenting all these other scenarios of what could possibly happen when you don't know the outcome of a situation. Most of us are scared of change. We like stability. We like knowing what happens if I do A, B, C, the outcome will be D, or if I go there, that's what we'll get, or if I apply for a job, this is the salary that I'm gonna get. If I work out as much as possible, this is how my body is gonna look like. So we like to define things and know the outcomes, but sometimes the truth is there's a lot of good things that can come out of the unknown. You can't stop living your life because of the fear instilled in you. You can't stop living your life because you don't know what's on the other side. For example, take someone that's always wanted to move to a different city. They may stay in their current position, in their current town, and their current boring old life because they're scared of what will be on the other side. They're scared of how things will be different in the other city. They're scared of how things may be different, the different opportunities they may be presented with. You just don't know. But the thing is, you never really know how good or how bad something is until you experience it. So you can't really be putting yourself in a box because you're scared of the unknown. Use the unknown as motivation. Use the unknown as the thing that pushes you to want to do better. Yes, it's crazy not knowing the outcome, but you already know what's in this corner. So that means things can only get better, or worse. Things don't improve, you can always go back where you came from. So why not just take a leap of faith and stop worrying about what's on the other side? Stop worrying about how things will turn out and just do it. Don't let fear stop you from progressing to becoming the best version of yourself. Don't let fear get in the way of your dreams and your goals because you're scared of what the other side looks like. You never really fully have the full roadmap to how things are going to be. You never really have the full roadmap to your success. So you just have to take a leap of faith and hope that things will work out in your favor. And if they don't, you can always find ways to improve it. But the thing is, don't stay in a position you're not happy with because you're scared of the unknown. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.